It is one of my favorite times of year. Late fall, too cold to fish any of the lakes. Some of the ponds already have ice on them, but the Mississippi River is flowing nicely. There's a nuclear plant a little bit, maybe like 3 miles upriver from here, that warms the water, and you can definitely catch fish all winter long out here, especially on the nicer days, which today is 41 degrees right now. I think it's gonna get a little warmer. Luckily, I'm the only one down here, so let's get the line ready. Let's get it out there. Hopefully catch a giant smallie or catfish.
So you need the 99 lives. Yeah.
Oh, there's one finally. Feels good, but they all fight so freaking hard, you don't know. Yeah, looks big. There's some drag stripping. It's a good sign. Nice, that is a freaking monster. Holy crap. Jeez. Holy shit. That's what we're after, boys. That is what we're after. God, hook just right in the corner of the mouth too. Easy hook out. That is a beauty. All right. All right. Get to test out my new scale here. .58. That is a nice smallie. Dang, that's a beauty, guys. Oh, no. She wants to get away. Nice. Can't beat that. I mean, you can. I've got him bigger, but not by a whole lot. As a freaking tank. All right, see if we can get another. What in the world? Be a big smallie. This is coming in kind of goofy. Looks like a big cat. It is. Nice. Been a while. Holy crap. It's a really nice cat. Sweet. Holy cow. Holy crap, that's a big kitty. No! Oh my god. Broke my line. Son of a bitch. Fish on. What is it? It felt like a smallie at first, but now it kind of feels like a cat. I don't know. Nice smallie. Nice smallie. Dang. Get up here, buddy. Get up here. Yeah, just soaked me. All right, guys, pretty nice one. Definitely fat. I have about an 18-incher. And there she goes, and get me all soaked. So if you couldn't tell, this was day 2. I was out here yesterday. Wind was blowing upstream, which was quite a bit nicer because it's keeping my line tight. Now wind is blowing downstream along with the currents, so, and it's damn windy, so it's kind of tough to set it up, tough to feel the bites, but that one I definitely felt. All right, actually I'm not holding the rod, I'm setting it on the tree there, but I definitely saw, and then saw the rod tip go, and then when I picked up the rod I felt him swimming with it, so let him take it slightly too long, but luckily he wasn't hooked deep, so fun catch. Let's see if I can get some more. I really want to get a little catfish redemption today. I want to catch another big cat and actually get it in and get a picture of it. Another fish. Feels a little bit smaller. Let's see though. This one's on the mud minnow. Somehow got a mud minnow in with my suckers. Hey, that's a lot smaller guy, but he's a fat little football. Jeez. Man, what a freaking little butterball he is. Look at that gut. Nice little fish. On the mud minnow, I should have showed you guys what those are. They're goofy looking little minnows. Pretty cool looking. They almost look like a miniature dogfish or something, like a small dogfish. But central mud minnow, it took about 10 seconds for it to hit that. I don't know if they like that more than the sucker, or if I just threw it right in the right spot. I'm sure that's what it was. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. This thing's a freaking monster. Oh my good god. Wow. Oh my god. Check that fish out. Got the new scale. So the one I got yesterday was, I believe, 4.58 pounds. I think this one might go bigger. I hope so. Nope. Really? 4.4. Alright guys, still a absolute freaking gorgeous fish. Look at this thing, this is so pretty. Beautiful bronze colors on here. 4.4 pounder. That is a super nice smallie. Dang. Awesome catch. Yeah. Good God, what a beautiful fish. And here she goes. Sweet. My God, I never get tired of that.